G'day! In today's video, we're going to talk about information systems and how they work. We'll also touch on an important term called binary. But first, let's start with the basics. Imagine our planet like a big team or system where all the living and non-living things work together to keep things going smoothly, working just how they should. Well, we've all seen that changing one thing on Earth can affect everything else. Digital systems work the same way. If you change one part, it can affect the whole system. Now keep in your mind something called systems thinking. It's like looking at the big picture and understanding how changing one thing can make a big difference. Sometimes good, sometimes not so good. Alrighty, now let's talk about information systems. There are three main parts: people, data, which is like music, pictures and books, and digital systems, kind of like a computer. Time to break the computer down into four main things. And we're going to do that by thinking about a superhero. Imagine your computer is a superhero and its physical body, we'll call that hardware. Well, there's the brain, which is the CPU. It's like the decision maker. Then there's the heart, or motherboard, which connects everything. And then there's memory, RAM. It's like the short-term memory for quick thinking. And finally, we've got the storage, or hard drive. It's like the long-term memory, where it keeps games, pictures, and important stuff. Most of that important stuff is going to be software. Let's think of software as the computer's superpowers. It's the set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. Operating systems like Windows are like superhero rule books, while games and apps are like the special powers that make the computer fun and useful. The computer's data storage is like a treasure chest where it keeps all its valuable things. Inside the chest, or hard drive, there are folders for games, pictures and other treasures. RAM is like the quick access drawer, where the computer puts things it needs right away. The computer, superhero, will need some sidekicks, and peripheral devices are up for the job. The mouse and keyboard help it to communicate and move things around on the screen, like partners in crime solving. The scanner is like a detective finding hidden pictures, and the printer is the hero making copies of important documents. By getting an understanding of the computer's hardware, software, data storage, and peripheral devices, we can see how it all works together to make our digital world exciting and efficient. Now, people are incredibly important, acting as the real heroes in the digital world, because they're the ones crafting information into digital systems. It's like being the authors of a digital storybook, where every click, word and upload adds a page to the ongoing adventure of the system. These systems are designed to make it easy for us to find information when we need it. Now, sometimes it's hard to find information if it's only stored on our computer. So a lot of information is stored online or in cloud storage, like a giant digital locker. The internet is a huge example of this, and you can access it from anywhere. Now here's the weird part, and that's how computers store information. Instead of words or pictures, they just use two numbers, 1 and 0. It's like a secret code called binary, where 1 means on and 0 means off. Crazy, right? But computers understand this language and use it to do everything. Who knew just two numbers could be so powerful? We'll learn more about this binary thing in our next video. Thanks for listening in today and learning about information systems. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss the next one. See you next time and happy learning!